Going viral on TikTok is all about staying ahead of the trends and keeping your content fresh and engaging. Here are some essential tips to help you stand out. First, participate in trending challenges and use popular sounds and hashtags. TikTok's algorithm loves content that's in sync with current trends. Next, keep your videos short and punchy. Grab attention within the first few seconds. High-quality production might seem less crucial on TikTok, but clear, well-lit, and well-edited videos definitely have a better chance of being shared. Another key tip: be unique. TikTok is flooded with content, so offering something different can help you get noticed. Consistent posting is also important. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and signal the algorithm to promote your content. Don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, join duets, and interact with other users. This kind of activity can boost your visibility. And when it comes to hashtags, mix trending ones with niche-specific tags to reach both broad and targeted audiences. Finally, timing matters. Post your videos when your audience is most active and, if possible, collaborate with influencers to amplify your reach. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to TikTok success.